Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Great check. Once again, this is Jerry, and today I'm gonna show you a problem and how I solved it. Have you tried to have a situation when you're using your touchpad like this, and you want to choose any file or any application that you want to open, but when you click your touchpad, it doesn't have any response. That means that your touchpad, you thought it's not working. Like for example, if I want to open this file, like I'm doing the double tap of my touchpad, but it doesn't work. Seems like it doesn't work. And I want to choose any of these icons here from my taskbar, but it doesn't appear or doesn't respond any. Like if I click this one, then it has to be opened if I click this once or twice. But this time, whatever you do, either you double tap your touchpad, but it doesn't have any appearance of working. It's not working. So what I did is I tried to click this arrow up icon to show hidden icons, and then I went to this icon, synaptics pointing device. So when I click this, of course, because it's not working here, whatever I did is it's not working. So what I did is, still we can use this left button and right button. So what I use is this one. I click the right button, and then I have this menu, and I tap this to click, tap to click option, and then I press, of course, the left mouse button because it's still working here, and then it's gone. So when I try to click this arrow up icon again to show hidden icons, so when I press this, then the tap to click is already checked. So that means it's working now. So I tried to click these icons, and you see that one, there's already an icon telling us that it's loading. And we can also click, like for example, this, see that one? So it's working now, and then I try to click this again, and I'll try to open this, let's say this one, this file, okay, with my, of course, touchpad, double tap, and if you can see on the screen, you see that, so it's working now. So that's the only thing that you could do, guys. So hopefully that this would also help you to solve your problem when it seems that your touchpad is not working anymore. When you tap or double tap any icons, any applications you want to open, any files that you want to open by using the touchpad, but you thought it's not working. So what you should do is just follow the steps that we have on this video. So actually, when we have this problem, you can still use the left and right buttons. So you can still use it, but only the problem is you thought that the touchpad, when you double tap something, it's not working anymore, but it is not. It's only that it hides this, no, it's just this icon on the hidden icons, the synaptics pointing device, this part here, tap to click, is not checked. So hopefully guys that this would help you as you have this video shown, as you have watched this video. Be sure, hopefully guys that this helps you to solve your problem when you watch this video. Thanks for watching. May the Lord Jesus bless us all. Bye bye. Have a nice day.